Hey y'all, welcome back to Doing It with Tyrunsia. We're gonna complete a journal order today from start to finish. I'm gonna take it out the package. I'm gonna take the package and put it to the side because I am gonna use it to repackage it. Dropping it. To repackage it. I have my garbage can with me now today and my scissors. And my scissors. So I'm just gonna squeegee it. Take my time. It's the holiday season. Y'all, these are great gifts, especially for people who like to get their work besties gifts for the holidays, because they're very nice, very inexpensive, but very thoughtful. Very thoughtful. Especially if you have an entrepreneur friend, because they need all the inspiration and motivation they need. And all of these are, all the ones I offer are scripture based. Because I like motivational things, but when it's bagged up because it's the word, it actually has a little bit more power with it. I ain't say a little bit more, a whole lot more power with it. So let me correct myself there. And we did this in less than a minute. And it says, I am empowered to get wealth. Yes, the word says that. Yes, it does. Go ahead and add my pen. Like I told y'all can do pen wraps, but I don't want to. And be mindful, if you saw that as you're putting this pen in, if you catch it from the top, you can write on your shirt. You don't want to write on your clothes, especially if it's something you like. That's why I don't really dress up when I come to work at the shop when I have orders to do, because it's a good chance whatever I have on, it's going to get messed up. Some kind of chemical is going to be on my shirt, especially on bleaching shirts. Y'all bleach so much of my clothes, not paying attention. I be bleaching shirts and stuff. I always put your logo on it, because they add more value, because people know that they purchased it from a boutique or a shop. They don't have to spend a little bit more to purchase it from a boutique or a shop. Y'all, so nice. So nice. So nice. This one says, I walk by faith. You should too, girl. This one says, I love this one. It says, faith. With God, all things are possible. Yes, with God, all things, not some things, all things are possible. So definitely get this one for yourself. For yourself. I just love it. Black and white, I just love it. It looks expensive. And you can get that one for a guy or a female. I'm just gonna package these up. Put my sticker on them. How nice. That looks really good. Really good. Okay. This one, I love this one too. I love them all. I created them, so of course I'm gonna love them. I love this one too. It says, I'm going for it all. You better. Because according to this one, it says, with God, all things are possible. So why wouldn't you go for it? What you waiting on, girl? Go for it. You better. Who you at? Who? Why you out here playing with yourself? You better go for it. Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna package these right on up. I'll send right on my shirt again. Yeah, I love these. I be here encouraging myself while I'm selling these journals. I be here encouraging myself. And I don't make stuff that I don't support. So like, if sometimes people try to order stuff and I'm like, no, I'm sorry, go against my personal beliefs. And that's one thing I don't do. I don't compromise my stand on certain things to get a sale. No ma'am, no sir. I'm not compromising nothing. If I don't agree with it, it go against my moral values, I'm not selling it. I'm sorry. Somebody will sell it to you. Won't be me. Won't be me. Walk by faith, girl. Walk by faith. Bye.